Here's a recipe for a natural pest and bug spray to use in your garden. You're going to take 1/2 of an onion cut up, and you can use the peel too, 2 cloves of garlic that are smashed and kind of pressed open, and then just a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or any just hot pepper will do. To that, we're going to take 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. We're going to add those ingredients. Once it's boiling, we're going to add about 1/4 of a bar of Castile soap. You're going to use a grater and just grate that soap into your boiling water. You're going to allow that to then steep for 20 minutes and then allow it to cool and strain. And we're going to spray that on. Use a weekly application onto your garden plants, and it won't affect their flavor or their growth, but it will deter a myriad of pests and bugs from affecting those plants.